Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is going to be about Islamic reflections on maps. Before we begin, please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it. So, maps are often used to guide people to a certain destination. Whenever people use maps, it's usually because you're going to something they don't have previous experience about. So if we think about that, we think about what the Quran is. What is the Quran? The Quran is a book to guide us, to help us understand what we should and should not do in order to get to Jannah. When you look at the Quran and Islam as a whole as a map, you understand that even when you go off the map, you try your best to get back onto the map because that's how you get to your location. Like when you drive off the road on a GPS and you go the wrong direction, the GPS says the whole recalculating thing and it figures out where you need to go. So in that same sense, we should think about how in Islam we are told that when we commit a sin, that we should ask for forgiveness. And thinking about that, we should remember that where we want to go to Jannah. You know, if someone's like on a hike trail, right, and they're trying to get to some beautiful place, right, and they're starting to get tired and they want to leave, right, what do they might think about? Well, they might think of the beautiful waterfalls or the beautiful canyon or whatever it is that's waiting for them at the end of the trail. So whenever you get tired of something, whenever you get tired of going through a test or a trial, just think about Jannah. Think about how beautiful it will be, how wonderful it will be, how you'll get anything you want. How in Jannah you get anything you want, and every single thing that you've ever done, every single moment you've ever experienced, imagine that is much better. Imagine that for infinity, and then continuously increasing. That is Jannah. And when you think about it that way, you don't think of life as just a pain. You think of life as this step. Death is not the end. Death is just another step. When you're on a map, you might go through multiple places, but at the end of the day, it's a destination that you're looking forward to. And yes, you can enjoy the way on there. You're allowed to enjoy what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave to you. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you a blessing, enjoy it, say Alhamdulillah. If you have happiness, say Alhamdulillah for it. And at the end of the day, just remember that Jannah is where you want to be. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it.